today's video, we're going to talk about all the things from Dollar Tree to use on your deli plate. Or not deli plate, jelly plate. I was thinking of deli paper. I have some words. These are harvest words. They do them for every season, and they work great on the gel plate. These are some things we're going to try out in this video, which are from the kitchen section. It is a silicone spatula, a basting brush, and a little tiny basting brush. I picked up some things from the school section and got some rubber bands. These are from the teaching tree section. They are building circles. I'm going to figure out a way of using those. The next thing is fraction circles. These are really thick foam core, and you're supposed to be able to take them apart, but and there's 27 pieces, so we're going to try that out. And the last one, which I was really excited about, these are plastic rubbing plates. These are going to be good because instead of when you use a texture plate on your gel press, that's what you're going to get. So this one had 3 different textures. You have the brick, which you can rub this way. You have the zigzags, so you can either lay it down and get one way or the other. And then you've got the shells. And so yeah, these are going to be really fun to play with on the jelly plate. And so come back and join me, or I'll be right back. It'll be maybe a second for you. Alright, so here's the fraction circles. So you can take them apart. Not that these would be cute as using stamps because they're so thick. And then there's this one, and then there's one that has a half and quarters. So yeah, half, quarters, eighths, and 16ths. So they're going to be, these would be pretty fun to play around with on the gel plate to add some texture as well. This one, the building circle, I figured I could actually glue them onto maybe some cardboard in a pattern and use them as to pull off paint from the gel plate. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of those. That gives me a bunch to play with. And the same with the rubber bands. I'm going to glue them down to some cardboard as well to create some unique like stamps. This one I was thinking, this one might actually do, you know, you can push it down on the plate like this to get little circles, or you can rub it across to get some texture. And then this one has like little, I don't know, the bottoms of a U, and I thought those would be cute. And then this one, you know, just use this one like as a catalyst tool. I was looking at the catalyst tools when I was at Hobby Lobby, and they were not as flexible as this, so I just thought this one would be fun. And the words, the holiday DIY, the harvest ones, they didn't have any in the Christmas ones, but if you lay it down, reverse it onto the jelly plate, when you print it, it will print the correct way. So there's Hello Autumn, there's Blessed, Hello Fall, Farm Fresh, Welcome Fall, and Give Thanks. I was thinking the Give Thanks and the Blessed could be used all the time. So will the Farm Fresh, and then these can just be, you know, used for whatever. But yeah, I can't wait to see how these are going to look. But I thought these would be really cool to see how we can use them for a jelly plate.